chicken po pala. Oh, yeah. Ang sarap. Sarap, sarap. Let's go. So ayun, that's it for today. So today is day 91 out of 365 days for the year of 2026. So ginawa lang natin ngayon is mag food trip, tapos nagturo na isang client and nag-rest. So tomorrow hopefully may gym na open, makapag-workout tayo ng upper body. So let's go.